welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me yet, I'm Valentina. I'm a professional makeup artist and content creator based in London, and today I have prepared another fashion haul. This time is with H&M, so stay tuned because I have some wonderful items to show you. I was super excited to pick up all these new items from their winter collection, and I'm more than happy to film this video today because it's such an ugly day in London today. It's so rainy. So let's start with the first items. I have here two pairs of jeans, and trust me, they are absolutely amazing, beautiful, comfortable, everything you will be looking for in a pair of jeans or two. Both of them are mom jeans, and I'll be honest with you, I was so afraid to try them because each time I was like, they don't suit me. I want to look good in mom jeans because I'm short, I'm not tall at all. But this time I said, okay, I'm gonna give it a try and see how it works, and they look wonderfully. And they are super comfortable. This is the first pair. I love it so much, mainly because of the waist. It's a high waist, it's super comfortable, and also the material, it's so good. It's 100% cotton. The length is actually quite good. It's angle length, and it suits me so well because almost all the time I have the same issues. The jeans or the trousers in general are too long because I'm not that tall, you know. The fact that the waist is covered with elastification and a small frill trim makes it even more comfortable, and as you can see, it has a button here and also a zip. We have front and also back pockets, and I also like this color because it's like a washed denim, which makes it super cool to be paired with so many items. Basically, you can pair it with almost everything and with almost each color. Now, the next pair of jeans is pretty similar to the other one. The only difference is here. Personally, I find the other ones, these ones, more comfortable than this. The material of this one is also 100% cotton. This one is in size 836, and the other one is in the same size. Also, a small difference that you can find is here when it comes to the pockets. As you can see, there is a smaller one right over here. The other ones don't have the this small pocket here, but it's not like this bothers me in any way. The next item that I picked, I was super curious about it to see if it's actually true to the website, the pictures that are shared over there, and I was super impressed. Is this long-sleeved jumper, which I find it super beautiful. I love the color. First of all, it is available only in two colors, in black and this beautiful cream, and I decided to go for this one, even though almost all the time I go for the black ones because I believe I look good in black. Black looks good on blondes, but in the same time this is absolutely gorgeous. I love these details over here and the V shape because it's actually helping you to look a little bit taller. Also, the fact that has right over here at the cuffs and hem this ribbing, it's also making it a little bit more different. I don't know what's the word, but it looks so nice. It's like you are paying attention to the details. Next thing that I want to show you is the fact that at the back right over here has these two lovely buttons, and again, attention to details. I don't know, it makes it so special and so beautiful. And when it comes to pairing with some other items, I find it so easy to pair with so many different items, like those blue jeans, the denim, the mom jeans that I showed you previously. I think they would look absolutely wonderful together, and with your hair in a bun, it will look absolutely fantastic. I paid for this one £29 if I'm not wrong. Let me double check just to be sure. Yes, £29, 29.99 pounds, so basically 30 pounds, but I definitely think it's worth the money, and the size is S, which is true to size. Next, item, we have another jumper here, and I got the black one. I absolutely love the details when it comes to shoulders. They are defined shoulders, also has here a round neckline, and of course, like the other one, ribbings at the cuffs and hem. The price is only £15. The material is super nice as the other one as well. This one is acrylic, 100%. And again, this one can be found in two beautiful colors, cream and black. Let's move on with the next items now. And because these days I'm all over the moon when it comes to jumpers and comfortable clothes, because yeah, we stay only inside, I picked up this beautiful set. You can also buy them separately. This is the color. I went for the yellow one, for the light yellow, because yellow is one of the 2021 colors. And I said, okay, I'm gonna give it a try to see how it looks on me, and it actually doesn't look bad at all. I love the fact that the hoodie has a small detail right over here. I don't know if you can actually see it. It's here. Can you see it? It's nice, right? It says, just as you are. I can imagine that. I am beautiful, I am happy, I am healthy, I am everything I want to be. This one is made from cotton blend with aligned, and also if you can see, the shoulders are gently dropped. Price of the hoodie was £18, and you can find it in so many colors. I didn't mention that both of them, the hoodie and the trousers, are soft brushed inside. The next two items that I picked are also something super comfortable, and both of them are in size S. Let me see. Yes, both of them, the trousers and the cardigan as well. Size S, true to size, super comfortable. I picked the same color for so many items this time. It's like not white, cream. It's some, or maybe I should say somewhere in between cream and white, and the trousers are pretty similar to something that I used to have a long time ago from Zara, but unfortunately I did my makeup and yeah, I did something bad and now I can't wear them anymore because they have so many stains and they are not looking good at all. Now, coming back to the cardigan and to the trousers, the price of the cardigan was £20, and let's see the trousers. Where I can find the trousers? I can't find the price. £20. It was easy. I don't know why it was so hard to see it. £20 as well. But the fact that the trousers have this high waist, for me it's such a big plus, and they are also covered in elastification. I think they also have some wool. When it comes to the material, it's super comfortable, super soft. It feels so nice when you touch them. You can definitely wear this with something like a white t-shirt, and it will look super nice. We are almost at the end, guys. The next item, as you can see, is there is a dress. This dress is calf length, and when it comes to the color, I don't know how you can actually see it on the camera, but it's not the same yellow that you can see on the website. On the website you can see a bright, beautiful yellow, and this one, it doesn't look like that. It's going more into a greenish one, a green shade, something like a combination between a yellow and a light green, but it doesn't look bad, and I think it would suit me as well. Again, I went for this one because of the color. I was super curious to try this yellow trend so much. The price of this one was £40. I got this one in size S. Again, I love so much the fact that it's a V-shape décolleté. I think for those of you who are not that tall, the V-shape helps so much to make you look a little bit taller. Hopefully I'll be able to wear this one very soon, because at the moment I can't do it, but thinking of those summerish spring days, I think this would be absolutely an amazing acquisition, and hopefully we will be able to go outside in the summer and spring days. Fingers crossed. Now the next item that I got is actually a pleated skirt. It's not like I needed one of these at this moment, but I loved so much the color, and in reality it doesn't look like on the camera, so it's not that shiny like here, but maybe because I have so many lights on, it looks a little bit shiny. The size is true to size, is calf length. I got it in a size 6, which is a 34. It's absolutely perfect for myself because I am a little bit thinner here to the waist, and I find that this one stays in place because all the time I had the same issue. As I said, it is not like I actually needed one of these, but I love the color so much. It's one of the colors of this year, you know, both gray and yellow are the colors of 2021. The next item is something that my husband would always say that looks weird. I don't know if this is the right word, but he will be like, it looks like a sheep. So basically I got this coat, which is a teddy bear coat, and I find it so beautiful. I can't tell you how much I love the material and how it feels like. It's super soft, super comfortable. I love the color as well. If I'm not wrong, you can find it in 2 colors. Let me double check. Yeah, I got it in cream, and you can also find it in beige. The price was only £40, and this is part of their new collection as well. The material is recycling polyester, and as you can see, it has here some buttons and dropped shoulders as well. I can definitely say that this is something that I was looking for such a long time, and I was so happy to see that it's such a good price. Definitely it's something that is worth to invest in. I'm not sure if I told you that the coat is in size S and is true to size as well. Moving on with the next 2 items, and the last 2 items that I got, of course, are some boots. Both of these are something that I wanted for such a long time. These ones, the long boots, long thigh boots, are 36, and I was afraid they won't be super comfortable, but they are actually quite good. The price, I don't know the price. Let me double check the price for them. These ones, I'm gonna tell you about these ones a little bit. They were £30, and they are imitation, leather imitation, but they are actually looking quite good. And the other ones, let's see, were £60. 60 pounds, oh my god. Oh, I paid less than 60 pounds. There was a discount of 30 pounds. That's nice. So I paid only 30 pounds for them. They are really nice. I'm wondering if they're still available on their website, because I don't remember again why did I get such a big discount. Both of these are super beautiful, and I think that if you want to follow the trend, then you should go for one of these, because they are also super comfortable, and you can also pair them with so many items, with denim, with leather trousers, and with the teddy bear coat that I had earlier as well. And these ones, I'll be honest with you, it's not like I'm wearing them all the time, but I love so much to have them when I'm taking pictures with for any shootings. Obviously, if you will find that these boots are your style, you can go for them. I actually believe that this is such a great price. These are all the items that I got this time. I hope so much that you will find at least a few of them that would work for yourself. I will leave all the links in the description box just in case you would be interested in any of the items, but as always, I'm more than happy to chat with you on Instagram as well, because I saw that it's way much comfortable for so many of you to message me over there. I'll leave the Instagram handle right over here, and see you next time. Mwah.